Hey there, friend. This little power bank, the Ineu P50, actually saved the day during my recent shift, and I can't wait to tell you how. But first, we'll unbox it, take a closer look at its design features, and why it's earned a permanent spot in my bag. Let's get into it. Hey there, friend. Thank you so much to Ineu for sending over this new P50 power bank. This looks to be 10,000 milliamp, and by the size of the box, it's a nice compact unit. So I'm going to open it up. All right, so we got the little manual here. Let's see what's in the package. Okay. All right, we got this cool looking little strap here. Let's take it out, see what we got. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Look at this cute little thing. I love it. This is 10,000 milliamps. It just fits in the palm of my hand. Wow, this is going to be great. I'm going to check it out, and I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, all right. So let me tell you a little bit about the design and the build quality of this awesome little fast charger. The P50. Had this thing for about a week and a half now. I've been using it at work as my daily carry, and there's a couple of cool things that I have to tell you about it. You can wipe it off pretty easily. As you can see, it's held up very well in my backpack, and a couple of important features. One, at first when I unboxed it, I thought, well, that was pretty Spartan, that it didn't come with any, cables or anything. However, just built onto this little lanyard, we've got this cable, and as well, just like the large charge that we have, it's actually got the percentage readout indicator there, so you know how much the battery has got. So I'm using it for a bit. Obviously, need to charge it up here pretty soon. But with 10,000 milliamps, you can charge your phone a couple of times. It's not a big deal. The thing is, I actually forgot to charge my phone the other night, just before the shift. Like, I didn't plug it in before bed. And I thought, yeah, whatever, it's no big deal. I threw it in my bag. It's all good. I'm going to have the power that I need. And, later into my day, I was down to like under 10%. And I can tell you that the remaining capacity on this battery was more than enough to save the day. And luckily, having brought it with me, it allows me to not run out of juice and to keep using my phone for the rest of the day so I can stay in touch. And I've been really, really thankful for this. Okay, so I've got the P62 here, and I want to compare those colors side by side so you can see the subtle difference between the blue and the black. I love this. I didn't even notice the subtle difference at first until I brought them side by side, and then I realized, like, oh yeah. And I love that they have the different colorways that you can choose from to suit your style and to keep the aesthetic tight, clean, and beautiful. And I want to point out also that it does have 3 charging ports as well. I believe that the USB-A one, this is an 18-watt port, and the other 2 here, these are 45 watts. So you can charge into either one of these with USB-C, but this one, as you can tell, is just an output. It's also got a simple little power button and a nice, smooth, soft, satisfying feeling in your hand. It really is so nice to hold. I mean, compared to my AirPods case, as you can see, this thing is tiny, and I just love having it with me. Knowing that I can charge my devices on the go, even when I mess up like my night routine or getting ready in the morning, it's so huge. It's one less thing to stress about during an already busy day. More than anything, it really means that I can always contact my family, listen to music, answer emails, and do whatever it is that's important to me in that moment. Never miss a beat, and always have enough juice to get it done. So, yeah, the Ineu P50, it might be small, but when I needed it most, it came through like a champ. If you want to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link for you in the description below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and always, thank you so much for watching.